Benjamin Franklin invented bifocal glasses out of necessity. He suffered from both myopia and hyperopia, and constantly needed to switch glasses in order to be able to see properly. This constant switching led to frustration and the resultant invention of bifocal glasses. One of Benjamin Franklin's inventions that millions of people use on an everyday basis. He made these spectacles by cutting the lenses of two pairs of spectacles and using half of each kind of lens in one frame. On a dark June afternoon in Philadelphia, the 46-year-old Ben Franklin decided to fly a kite. With the help of his son, William, they attached his kite to silk string, trying on iron key at the other end. Next, they tied a thin metal wire from the key and inserted the wire into a Leyden jar, a container for storing an electrical charge. Finally, as the sky dark and thunderstorm approached, they attached a silk ribbon to the key. Holding on the kite, the silk ribbon, Ben flew the kite, and once it was aloft, and he retreated into a barn so that he would not get wet. The thunderstorm cloud passed over Franklin's kite, whereupon the negative charges in the cloud passed onto his kite, down the wet silk string to the key and into the jar. Ben, however, was unaffected by the negative charges because he was holding the dry silk ribbon, insulating him from the charges on the key. When he moved his free hand near the iron key, he received a shock. Franklin's experiments successfully showed that lightning was static electricity. You can experience the same reaction when you shuffle your feet on a carpet and reach for a metal doorknob. Realizing this form of electricity could be charged over a conductor and into the ground. He invented the lightning rod and conductor, providing the lightning an alternative path to the earth. Later in his life, lightning struck his own house, but his lightning rod saved it from burning. Today, all high-rise buildings are required to install this lightning rod, invented by Benjamin Franklin.
Thank you.